Hi, this is Rudra. You're watching Mount Rudra's ninth vlog. In this video, I'm going to show you the zipline at Manali. It was the longest zipline at Manali nearby Solan Valley, entering into adult tunnel nearby there. This guy was really little bit scary to handle zipline. Anyway, we have done this adventure. The climate was very cool and pleasantful. Really, I was enjoying. They have been charged as 500 rupees per person. I was enjoying a lot. If you like this video, please share, subscribe and comment. Stay tuned to my new vlogs and upload comments. Please subscribe my channel.